Hello, I'm Ruth from the University of Leicester Botanic Garden, and this PowerPoint is to help you learn about plants. There are thousands of different sorts of plants in the world. Do you know the names of the different parts of plants? Roots, under the ground, stem, leaf, one, leaves for many, seeds, which are inside the fruits, and flowers. Let's look at each of these parts separately. Roots usually grow underground, although sometimes we do see parts of them above ground, like in the picture. Roots hold the plant into the ground so it doesn't fall over, and the roots have hairs on that take water from the soil for the plant to use. Roots grow a long way out from the plants. Can you see this picture of one tree in a field? If you dug down where I've put my arrow, you would still find roots from this tree that have grown all that way underground. The stem keeps the plant standing upright and takes the water from the roots to the rest of the plant. The stem in trees is called a trunk. These pictures show of a giant redwood trees. These can grow very tall and have enormous trunks. Leaves use sunlight to help them make food to grow. As you see in the picture, some leaves can be very big, like this giant rhubarb, while other leaves can be very small, like thyme. Can you see the red arrow? This is a bud. Before petals of the flowers open, they are called buds. Flowers have pollen inside, which needs to be carried to another flower to make seeds. Insects, including bees, can help do this, and many flowers are brightly coloured to attract them. The lady is next to one of the world's biggest flowers, Rafflesia. Seeds are inside fruits. Can you see the apples growing on the tree? And look at the apple in this picture. Can you see the seeds? There are many different fruits, all with different seeds inside. Plants need to make seeds so new plants can grow. The sunflower in the picture has seeds below it, and they are found in the middle of its flower. Most seeds are small. However, the boy in the picture is carrying one of the world's biggest seeds from a cocoa de mer tree. So what do plants need to grow? Water, light, nutrients, and warmth. Nutrients are the good things from the soil. Just like you need different types of food to grow and stay healthy, plants need different things from the soil to grow and stay healthy. You know when you plant seeds, you need to give them water to grow. But what about plants that live where there's hardly any water? Deserts are places where there is almost no rain, so almost no water. Cacti live in deserts and keep water in their stem. They have spikes, not flat leaves, so they don't dehydrate. That is, become sick or die like you would if you didn't have enough water. The spikes help stop animals eating them, although this jackrabbit looks like he's enjoying a meal of prickly pear cactus. Having too much water can be a problem for plants too. Many plants will die if their roots have water all around them. It can also be a problem if there's a lot of rain, and the heavy water on the leaves breaks the leaves. The picture shows a rainforest where it rains a lot. Some leaves have a special waxy surface so the water runs off easily. The picture shows a taro leaf with the water droplets running off. Plants need light to grow as they use the energy from the sunlight to make food. Plants will grow upwards towards the light. Can you see the plant in the sideways pot? The plant has bent upwards to get more light. Many plants grow in rainforests where it is very dark. Some plants grow very tall to find the light. Others, like this one in the picture, grow on tall plants where there is more light. Plants nearer the ground often have very big leaves to catch as much light as possible. Most plants get the nutrients they need from the soil. We can make compost from the waste parts of fruit and vegetables we eat. This rots down, but the nutrients in it are good for plants. We can then put the compost on our garden so that the plants grow well. But some plants grow where the soil is poor and hasn't got all the nutrients the plant needs. The plant here takes its nutrients from flies it catches. Watch what happens. This is called a Venus flytrap. Plants need warmth to grow. In our country, we have 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Can you see the picture of a tree in each of the seasons? Spring with the flowers on, summer with the green leaves, autumn where the leaves change colour, die and fall off the tree, and then winter when the plant has no leaves. The plant that loses their leaves in the winter are called deciduous. Although they look dead, they are not, and will grow again when the weather gets warmer. The daffodils in the picture grow in March, just when the weather starts to get warmer. Put a brown line on the picture to show where the top of the soil would be. Most of the year we can't see them, as all that is alive is the bulb, the round part with the roots on underneath the soil. But the bulb has a store of food inside to keep them alive through the rest of the year, so it is ready to grow again in the spring. Some plants, like spruce trees, keep their leaves in winter. This is known as evergreen, but have a rest and don't grow much in the winter. You have learned about the parts of plants and what they need to grow. Thank you for listening, and I hope one day you can come to the Botanic Garden and see the beautiful plants we have.